This is Ansuya, PGP English, Nagarikal Mandal, Guntur district. First of all, I am thankful to all our state officers, district officers for giving this wonderful opportunity. Today I am going to teaching intermediate second year students. My topic name is the language of advertisements. My topic name is the language of advertisements. In all our grammar topics, this is the easiest topic and we will get 5 marks easily from this topic. That is the language of advertisements. That is the language of advertisements. Language as a powerful weapon over all people and their behavior. And at the same time, advertisement also very useful in nowadays. We have so many types of advertisements. They are television advertisements, radio advertisements, online advertisements, newspapers advertisements, magazines advertisements, outdoor advertisements, window display advertisements, video advertisements, mobile advertisements, internet advertisements, like this type. These are the very useful to get more information. These advertisements not only used for students but also all the people. So once again repeat, we have member of advertisements. First, commercial advertisements. And social advertisements and online advertisements, internet advertisement, magazine advertisements, newspaper advertisements, television advertisements, radio advertisements, indoor display advertisements, mobile advertisements, video advertisements. These are the so many types of advertisements. Next, we are going to in our textbook. So all of you open your textbook and go to page number 209. So in our public examinations, this question is 8. We get marks 5. So first of all, our topic, the language of advertisements. All of you read in public examinations from top to bottom, one or twice. So all of you listen and observe and see in your textbook. Second advertisement, study the advertisement and answer the question that follow. Our topic is e-pass. Our topic is advertisement topic is e-pass. E for electronic payment and application system of scholarships. E-pass means electronic payment and application system of scholarship. E for electronic, P for payment electronic payment and application system of scholarships. All of you students observe in this so all of you write capital letters. These all of you mention the capital letters. Okay. All of you see, in Telangana, successfully facilitated and disbursed 90 plus lakh student applications under 14 schemes in the last 4 academic years. First point is in Telangana, successfully facilitated and disbursed 90 plus lakh students application under 14 schemes in the last 4 academic years. Second point. Hassle-free application system for schemes with transparency and accountability in scholarship process. Hassle-free application system for students with transparency and accountability in scholarship process. Third point, eliminated manual visits for verification and avoided fictitious colleges and ghost students. Third point is eliminated manual visits, verification and avoided fictitious college and ghost students. Next one, track the application status at every stage. Track the application status at every stage. Last but one, extended to Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh and Tripura. Extended to Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh and Tripura. Last one, online scholarship application for various scholarships offered to students pre-metric and post-metric by various state governments. These are the main points in advertisements. Under this paragraph, we have 5 questions. These 5 questions answers above the paragraph. In our public exams also, all of you read one or twice, we catch easily answers from top to bottom. Our first question is, what is the advertisement about? What is the advertisement about? This question answer we observe above the passage. What is the advertisement about? So this is about e-pass. This is about e-pass. Answer is e-pass. So all of you write also full form. That is electronic payment and application system of scholarships. So, all of you understood? First question answer is this is about e-pass, that is electronic payment and application system of scholarships. This program has been given owing to its success rate. Has been given owing to its success rate. This is the second question. Read once again. Name one of the awards this program, that means E-Pass, has been given owing to its success rate. Answer is so observed in the above paragraph. So right side top of the awards are here, bottom of the awards are here. So these two awards belongs to this question answer. That is CSI Midland E-Governance Award 2010-11. Award of Excellence under G2C category. Award of Excellence under G2C category. Next one, CSI Midland E-Governance Award was the year 2015-16. 2015-16. Appreciation under substance category. So first one is the award of excellence under G2C category. Next in the year 2015 and 16. So this is appreciation under substance category. Substance category. Okay, children. This is a CSI Midland E-Governance Award 2010-11. So award of excellence under 2GC category. Next one, CSI Midland E-Governance Award 2015-16. This is appreciation under substance category. Anybody know CSI? Anybody know CSI meaning? CSI meaning the Computer Society of India. The Computer Society of India. All of you note down. Next we are going to third question. This is the e-pass, electronic payment and application system of scholarship. There is no necessary for manual visits. So here answer is no. Understood? Next we are going to fourth question. This program is extended to dash states. So we are going to fourth question. That is, this program is extended to dash states. This program is extended to dash states. They are, all of you see above passage. Fifth question. Extended to Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh and Tripura. So this is the easiest answer. So we will get 1 mark. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Himachal Pradesh, and Tripura. Okay, this is the easiest direct question. Okay, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Himachal Pradesh and Tripura. Next we are going to last question. In which state is this already being implemented? Okay, already one state are implemented in this program e-pass. So what is the state? In each state is being already being implemented. In which state is this already being implemented? So all of you see first point. In Telangana, successfully facilitated and disbursed 90 plus lakh student applications under 14 schemes in the last 4 academic years. So that is the answer. In which state? That is asked the question. Polish state. So that is Telangana. Telangana state, this program also implemented. Okay, we have 5 questions about the passage from this, the language of advertisements. So those 5 questions are here and answers also here. So first question is, what is the advertisement about? So answer is, it is about electronic payment and application system of scholarships. So it is about electronic payment. This is the e-pass. Okay, students. Second question. Name one of the awards this program has been given owing to its success rate. Name one of the awards this program has been given owing to its success rate. So answer is CSI Nehlen E-Governance Award 2010-11 Award of Excellence under G2C category. Next, CSI Nehlen E-Governance Award 2015-16. So appreciation under sustenance category. These awards. Next we are going to third question. So third question. In this program, are manual visits necessary? In this program, are manual visits necessary? This is the yes or no type question. So answer is no. Next, we are going to fourth question. This program is extended to dash states. So how many states are extended? These program, that program is a e-pass. So answer is Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Himachal Pradesh and Tripura. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 states are extended this program. Okay students? Next, last question. In this state is this already been implemented? In which state are implemented this program? Only Telangana. Okay students? Understood all these questions? So the language of advertisements are very easiest grammatical topic and easily got it 5 marks in our public examinations. So don't lose your 5 marks. All of you get 5 marks. So first of all of you read the passage, advertisement passage one or twice from top to bottom. Okay? Thank you. Next we are going to another advertisement in our the language of advertisements. The language of advertisements. This is the third advertisement. The title is We Cover India the Best. What is the title? We Cover India the Best. We cover India the best. So all of you look at the book and open your page number 210. So all of you look at the third advertisement and observe and read one or twice from top to bottom. We cover India the best. We cover India the best. More than 30 crore policy holders nationwide, policy for all age groups. Promises delivered, claim settlement 99.6%. Okay students? Once again, more than 30 crore policy holders nationwide. Policy for all age groups. Promises delivered, claim settlement 99.6%. All of you look at and observe. Because of these statements we use for questions. Then we catch easily questions and got 5 marks also. So here our LIC policy and are here. LIC means anybody say? Okay. Life Insurance Corporation. Okay, Life Insurance Corporation. So L for life, I for insurance and C for corporation. All LIC, these are write in capital letters. Okay, in this So first question, observe the question and understood first of all, because of this is different from other questions. So they ask here we. What is the meaning of we? Who is we here? LIC. Okay. So first question is we cover India. The best who is why in the above caption. Who is why in the above caption. So we cover India the best. We cover India the best. That is the title of the advertisement. We cover India the best. We cover India the best. So we cover India the best. Who is we in the above caption? First question is. Answer is C. LIC. We means here LIC. Okay. Next one. Who has issued this advertisement? Who has issued this advertisement? Who has issued this advertisement? This advertisement issued by LIC. This advertisement issued by LIC. Answer is LIC. Next we are going to third question. Write antonym of the following words. Write antonym of the following words. So we know already synonyms and antonyms. Antonyms means opposite words. Antonyms means opposite words. Write antonyms of the following words. Right? Antonyms of the following words. What are the words? Here, two words are there. First one is climb. And second one is independence. First one is climb and second one is independence. What are the opposite of the climb and independence? Climb opposite. What is the symbol of opposite? This is a symbol of opposite. Okay, climb opposite is this climb. Climb opposite is this climb. And the second one is independence. This opposite is dependence. Dependence. So all of you observed third question. Before advertisement also, our third question is yes or no type question. So one grammatical question is in this advertisement questions. So all of you catch also grammar topics. Here one question is yes or no type questions and synonyms and antonym questions are must understood in all these 5 questions. So third question is write antonyms of the following grammar topic. Okay? Okay, students? Have you understood? Okay. Write antonyms of the following words. Here, two words are there. First one is climb. Second one is independence. So, opposite of climb, disclimb, and opposite of the independence, dependence. Okay? Next one. Fourth question. On which occasion has the organization issued this advertisement? On which occasion has the organization issued this advertisement? All of you look at the picture and observe it. So, here one of the occasion is here. So, bottom of the left side, all of you observed LIC wishes every Indian a happy Independence Day. Okay, that is the occasion of this advertisement. Okay. Question is on which occasion has the organization issued this advertisement? Issued this advertisement. On which occasion has the organization issued this advertisement? Which occasion is in the above picture? Independence Day. Answer is Independence Day. Answer is Independence. Okay, next we are going to fifth question and the last question. How many policy holders does this organization have nationwide? How many policy holders does this organization have nationwide? Organization have nationwide. How many? So, how many policy holders does this organization have nationwide? So, all of you see the picture. So, we cover India the best. Below the words, more than 30 crore policy holders nationwide. Policy for all age groups. So, here is the direct answer. So, that is the more than 30 crore policy holders nationwide. Okay? More than 30 crore policy holders nationwide. So, more than 30 crore policy holders nationwide. Understood? These are the all direct questions. We look and write, we get easily 5 marks. Don't lose these marks in public examinations. Okay, once again I repeat this question and answers. So our topic is we cover India the best. This is also one of the advertisement. So LIC. LIC means Life Insurance Corporation. Life Insurance Corporation. So we have antonyms of the following words. So here two antonyms and antonyms means opposite words. We know that. So first one is climb, disclimb, independence, dependence. These are the antonyms of the word, antonyms of words. Okay, understood? Okay, next we are going to fourth question. On which occasion has the organization issued this advertisement? So this is issued one of the occasion. So what is the occasion in this caption? That is Independence Day. Independence Day. Next, last one. How many policy holders does this organization have nationwide? So we have more than 30 crore policy holders nationwide in this LIC captions. Okay, all of you observe and read second advertisement and third advertisement. Page numbers 209 and 210. So all of you read and write questions in your textbooks and notebooks and practice more and more. So all of you take assignments these questions. Dear students, so all of you come to go back the language of advertisements. So we have in our second year class we have 25 the language of advertisements. We have 25 the language of advertisements. Now we finished only two advertisements. So we observed in this questions. So one question is belongs to grammatical topic. That is the third question. So in every advertisement we have 5 questions. In that 5 questions, third question is belongs to grammatical topic. That is so many types. We have yes or no type questions. We have yes or no type questions. That the third question is belongs to this one and helping verbs questions. And meanings and opposite words. That means antonyms. Okay. So we have 24 helping verbs. We have 24 helping verbs. Anybody say? Okay. Am, is, was, were, do forms, do, did, do, are, does, did, done, have forms, have, has, had, next, can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, used to, dare to, need to, are to. These are the 24 helping verbs. Okay. Next, as or no type questions. We know that very well. Next, opposite words and meanings. So opposite words are also called antonyms. Next, WH words also. What are the WH words? So which, when, who, what, whom, and how. These are also these are WH words. What, who, which, who, when, where, and how. So these are the WH word questions. So these grammatical points belongs to third question in our advertisement questions. Our topic is the language of advertisements. Every third question is belongs to these grammatical points. Anyone. So yes or no type questions are given. Sometimes helping verbs are given, and right meanings also. So opposite words also, next WH words also are given in whatever it may be is given. So we know grammar topic also regularly, thoroughly. Okay. Next we are going to one of the tongue twister. So we practice every day one tongue twister. We pronounce the communication easily and simply and speedily and clearly also. So that tongue twister is